Yo guys, do you remember Final Galaxy? They made these AI YouTube shorts with Marvel and DC characters. They had over 8 million subs and were getting millions upon millions of views. I even made a video about them a few months ago, explaining how to create their kind of videos. But guess what? They are gone. The channel is gone. All the views, subs and videos are gone, simply vanished. But what happened? Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, we will talk about how not to get your channel deleted by YouTube like Final Galaxy. Okay, let's go. So yeah, it is really simply follow YouTube's guidelines, their copyright guidelines and community guidelines. It seems that Final Galaxy was deleted because they said, this channel was linked to another channel that violated YouTube's policy, so we are removing it. But I think there is another reason to it. I think it has all to do with copyright. And that is why I wanted to make this video. I want to warn you to not use copyrighted assets like the DC or Marvel characters if you want to have your channel long-term. Because imagine this. Final Galaxy could have grown even more and could gain more and more views. This would be a very powerful position, and it could potentially harm the image of the DC and Marvel franchise if they wanted to. And I really think that in the near future, we will see other AI short channels that are using copyrighted assets will get banned, so be warned. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.